Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in all three of my planners for the week of November 8th through the 14th. Here I'm taking the planner pages out, and actually if you clip them like this, then you can put them back in easier without having to open the rings. So now I'm just going to speed it up and you can watch me decorate. These are stickers that I made myself.